Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Citizens Bank to the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start keeping track of your finances and you bank with Citizens. How do you actually go ahead and connect your Citizens Bank to the NerdWallet app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, click on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner. Then click on Financial Info. And then click on Linked Financial Institutions. Next, click on Add Your First Account. And then it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services. Accept those terms, then click on Continue as Guest. And then go ahead and click on the Citizens Bank. If you scroll down, it's on the bottom right-hand corner. So at this point here, it's going to prompt you to actually log into your Citizens Bank so that you can select which accounts you want connected to the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Citizens Bank to the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.